Welcome to my channel, Kids Cartoon Studies. Kids learning animals name.
Cow, camel, cat, duck, zebra, elephant, fox, giraffe, goat, gorilla, horse, pig, dog, monkey, lion, dinosaur, panda, bear, rabbit, rhinoceros, squirrel, tiger, wolf, turtle, koala, kangaroo, bee, cricket, crow, frog, mouse, pigeon,
Rooster.
turkey, deer, raccoon, deer, turkey,
Rooster.
pigeon, mouse, frog, crow, cricket, bee, kangaroo, koala, turtle, wolf, tiger, squirrel, rhinoceros, rabbit, bear, panda, dinosaur, lion, monkey, dog, pig, horse, gorilla, goat, giraffe, fox, elephant, zebra, duck, cat, camel, cow,